Hello to my skincare lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aleo and I would love you to join the wonderful community that we have here by clicking on the red subscribe button, turning on your notification bell, and also if you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button. So in today's video, I'll be sharing skincare ingredients that works well with vitamin C. This is actually the continuation of the last video I made where I talked about skincare ingredients you should not pair with your vitamin C. So this particular one works best with vitamin C. So what is vitamin C? I know vitamin C is very popular. It is affordable skincare ingredients that helps to fight free radical on the skin, promote collagen, repair the skin, and also help to enhance a glowing skin. So obviously, if you have not started your skincare routine and you have not incorporated vitamin C in your skincare routine, trust me, you are lacking something. So if you have not incorporated it, I will encourage you to run now and get your vitamin C serum. I promise you, you enjoy it. So the first one is vitamin C and vitamin E. Vitamin C is a very essential skincare ingredient that works well with vitamin E. When paired together, it becomes very effective. It will help your skin to protect it against free radical such as sagging skin or wrinkles. Vitamin C and vitamin E is a double antioxidant which will help to protect your skin against UVA and UVB, which is ultraviolet burning, and enhance a glowing skin, prevent aging skin, and clarify and also glow up your skin. What I'm trying to tell you is that if you want your vitamin C to be more effective, it is good to combine it with vitamin E. You can mix the both inside a bottle anyhow you want it, or use your vitamin C and then apply your vitamin E, or you're mixing both on your palm, any way you want to do it. Trust me, you will see results. You will see a change on your skin when you pair these two ingredients together. The second skincare ingredients I'll be sharing in today's video that you can pair with your vitamin C, it is vitamin C and ferulic acid. This acid, it is not popular, but I know skincare junkies and skincare formulator must be familiar with this. This is a good pair. Last year when I did my formulation, I added this ferulic acid. I'm sure why it is not popular is because the skincare ingredients is actually very expensive. But oh my goodness, if you're using a vitamin C that doesn't have ferulic acid, what are you doing? You have not even started incorporating. I don't know how to put it into words, but guys, ferulic acid, it is amazing, especially for someone that is in their early 30s and you just want to start fighting anti-aging. This is the best skincare ingredients to incorporate in your vitamin C. It will help your vitamin C work better. You will notice the glowing skin, you will notice the brightness on your skin, you will notice, and the good thing about ferulic acid with vitamin C, vitamin C when used alone, when you come out on the sun, you notice the sensitivity of it, especially people who have a very sensitive skin. If you are using a product or a skincare product that has ferulic acid and vitamin C, it will reduce the sensitiveness of UVB, ultraviolet burning, ultraviolet raw, and also help your skincare ingredients to work well. See, it has anti-aging benefits, and at the same time it helps to reduce the effect of UV on the skin. So this is amazing. The third skincare product I'll be introducing, and I'm so in love with this skincare products, it is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Amazing combo. Vitamin C is as popular as hyaluronic acid, if I'm not mistaken, but I know most people ignore this hyaluronic acid because it doesn't have any brightening, whitening, jiggy-jagger effects. But trust me, if you're not using hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine, oh my goodness, you're lacking something. You are, girl. Why I like this vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Let's talk about hyaluronic acid. You can see I'm blushing while talking about this hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is highly moisturizing. Like, oh, put me wrong, but my love for hyaluronic acid, when I tell you that hyaluronic acid is the best skincare hydrator that is very, very suitable for all skin type and at the same time amazing for your skin. It helps to give you that plump. And hyaluronic acid is not the type of ingredients that will tell you, okay, apply it, wait for 2. It works immediately. Like if you want that glowing effect, you want to go out, you don't have time to make up, my dear, just bring your vitamin C, bring your hyaluronic acid, and you are good to go without makeup. So yeah, I will definitely tell you it's an amazing product to pair with your vitamin C. Another one that works very, very good and people do not really talk about is vitamin C and SPF. I know in my last video, please, if you have not watched it, I will encourage you, after watching this video, please go and watch it. You know, in that video, I talked about how vitamin C thrives during the daytime. Even as much as vitamin C thrives during the daytime, I do not use my vitamin C alone because I know vitamin C increases skin sensitivity, which it can lead you to sunburn even though it's brightening. So SPF is an amazing product, amazing skincare ingredients to combine with your vitamin C. When you combine your vitamin C and your SPF, which is sun protection, SPF, sun protection, what it will help you to do, even as much as vitamin C on its own is increasing the brightness and the glowing of your skin, SPF will prevent your skin from being sensitive to the sun, preventing it from getting dark, and also help to increase the radiance of your skin and also help to minimize dark spots. If you're someone that is battling with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and you're using vitamin C alone during the daytime or the nighttime and you do not incorporate vitamin C and SPF, I encourage you, just make sure you buy SPF to incorporate in your skincare routine. And I already made a video, I talked about SPF, sun protection, that you can buy that is very, very effective on your skin. So I will also be leaving the link on my description box to also watch it. And the 5th skincare ingredients you need to start incorporating with your vitamin C, it is vitamin C and aloe vera. This is the type of aloe vera I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the raw aloe vera because the raw aloe vera can be harsh on the skin. So this particular one, I've been using it, and if you're someone that cannot afford hyaluronic acid, this is the best hydrator you can pair with your vitamin C. It is amazing. It will, moisturize your skin. I don't know about the brightness, but when it comes to increasing the radiance of my skin and also help with, aging skin, it is very, very amazing because what causes our skin to age fast is dry skin. So it is also an amazing combo. And I've also talked about vitamin C that are very, very affordable, so you can also check it out. I've made a lot of review, and I'll also be dropping more review on affordable vitamin C that I've tried and it works perfectly. Guys, we have come to the end of this video. Like, it is so good talking to you guys, and it's so good to be back doing what I love to do. And if you're not yet subscribe and you did not hit the like button, kindly do so. Till we see you next time, don't forget to drink your water, eat your fruits and vegetable, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.